Good morning all. Today I want to show you the different hemmer feet. I'm going to concentrate today on foot 63. The reason for that, it is more flexible than the other feet because it's slightly shorter than our other hemmer feet. So I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is. The secret here, you slide it into the fold of the machine, then you turn it, and the space that you turn in, you keep it against that toe, and you make sure that you keep this even all the time. So I'm going to stitch. So the secret, remember, is that you cannot go more because then it will slip out, and your guide is that toe. And I didn't do any speciality here. So you can see I roll hem it, and not one piece is coming out, creeping out at the bottom. So that is the secret of this. The fact that you hold this back in here, the size must be that toe over to that, not more. And then you guide your fold against that toe.